This machine is not only beautiful, but its new intuitive touch points make baking an even more pleasurable experience. The perfect combination of performance and sophisticated luxury, the new Chef is the ideal partner for our brand-loving consumers who want to impress with their baking talents using a stylish and high-quality product, ensuring the best results every time. To demonstrate this and highlight the touch points, I'm going to make a simple pasta dough. To start, we have the new push-down rear head lift lever. This is much easier to use for the consumer. There are no complicated levers or devices, and there's no need to move the machine around the worktop. We also have a new duo finish stainless steel bowl. We have brushed finish at the bottom and a polished rim around the top. Inside we now have measurements in millilitres, but also in cups and fluid ounces, meaning you can measure your ingredients straight into the bowl. At the base of the bowl, we now have a sealed unit. Previously, we had cut-out slots, which could become water traps. This has now been eliminated by sealing the base up at the bottom. Of course, we have our two handles for easy removal of the bowl when using dough loads. Next, I'm going to add my ingredients. So we have some flour and some eggs. And of course, we now need our bowl tool. The new Kenwood Chef comes complete with the 3 standard bowl tools, the whisk, the K-beater and the dough hook. In this case, I'm going to be using the dough hook. And this fits in exactly the same as our previous machines by pushing and twisting into position. Now I can lower my head and we can start the mixing process. At the front of our machine we have this fantastic new intuitive control dial. If you push the centre, it will activate the control system. We also have variable speed control plus the pulse, which is dedicated to the high speed outlet, giving short, sharp bursts of power when necessary. We've now incorporated the fold function, which gives a nice controlled, gradual, gentle speed, ideal for mixing soufflés, macaroons and mousses. For this recipe, I'm going to simply switch on to the minimum to 1 speed. You will have noticed that it has a very gentle, soft start. This controls the mixing process and avoids any of the ingredients coming out of the bowl. You can then increase your speed gradually as you wish. However, if you feel more comfortable, you can also use the splash guard, and this new design allows you to slide it onto the bowl without having to stop the machine and remove the tool. We also have a dedicated extra wide feed chute at the front so that you can easily add ingredients as you're using the machine. Now, if I just lift the head up whilst the machine is mixing, you'll notice that it will automatically cut out. And this is a safety feature we've incorporated into the machine. You'll also see that the splash guard remains in place and doesn't fall off in the process. If I now lower the head back down, the machine will not automatically start. Instead, you need to reset the machine to 0 and switch back on. Our new Kenwood Chef has a 4.6 litre bowl capacity and is able to do 25% more bread dough than our nearest competitor. It also has load sensing technology within the machine, and this adapts to the load that it's mixing and means you can do back-to-back loads without having to stop and rest the machine. So now that we've made our pasta dough, I can lift the head up, lock into position, remove my bowl tool and the bowl and slide off the splash guard. And the next area we're going to focus on is the slow speed outlet. This now has a new easy to remove outlet cover with a small indentation on the top and a magnetic system underneath. We've also now amended the design of the outlet slightly, so it now incorporates the hex system. This is a proven and successful design used on the current K-Mix products and means that we can remove the lever underneath. So the attachment simply slides into place and twists back. So we're now able to roll our pasta. So I'll take some of the dough, roll into a ball, and again we can switch on to minimum using the soft start system. Then we can work our pasta through the attachment using the roller at the back, and you'll see that I'm in total control of the task in hand. Now once our pasta is ready, we switch the machine off, and you will have also noticed there's no movement at all with the machine when it's functioning. So now I can twist the attachment off and out and replace my outlet cover. The Kenwood Chef also has the ability to run high-speed attachments. These are located in the back of the machine. We have a blender attachment and also now a food processor attachment. The food processor is made from a Triton material, which means it will maintain its clarity and is very durable, so it's shatterproof if dropped onto the floor. We also have the blender, which is made from a thermo-resist material, allowing you to use both hot and cold ingredients. So the new Kenwood Chef has 1100 watts of power, a 4.6 litre bowl capacity, versatility in the attachments and simple intuitive touch points. This stylish machine really is everything you need in a mixer.